At 23, she was sleeping on her friend's couch with $47 in her bank account. By 26, she had built a multi-million-dollar empire. What changed? 5 simple habits that most people dismiss as too basic to work. But here's the truth. While everyone else is chasing complex strategies and overnight success formulas, young millionaires are quietly mastering these fundamentals. And today, I'm going to reveal exactly what they are. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint that separates the wealthy from the wishful thinkers. What if I told you that becoming wealthy isn't about having the perfect business idea, the right connections, or even a trust fund? What if it's actually about 5 daily habits that anyone can implement starting today? I've spent months studying the routines of self-made millionaires under 30, from tech entrepreneurs to real estate moguls, from e-commerce pioneers to social media empire builders. And what I discovered will shock you. They all share these 5 non-negotiable habits. Let's dive in. Habit 1, the 5 a.m. advantage. Habit number 1. They wake up at 5 a.m., but not for the reason you think. Meet David. At 24, he was working a dead-end job, barely making ends meet. Every morning, he'd hit snooze 3 times, rush to get ready, and start his day in chaos. Then he met his mentor, a 28-year-old millionaire who asked him one simple question. How can you expect to control your wealth if you can't even control your morning? David started waking up at 5 a.m. Not to work more hours, but to work on himself first. Here's what young millionaires do with those early hours. First, they invest in their minds. While the world sleeps, they're reading, learning, consuming content that makes them smarter. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day. These young millionaires start with just 20 minutes of learning every morning. Second, they plan their day with precision. They don't just wing it. They architect their success hour by hour. Third, they do their most important task first. While their energy is peak, while distractions are minimal, they tackle what moves the needle most. David implemented this habit. Within 18 months, he launched his own consulting business and hit his first 6 figures. The 5 a.m. club isn't about torture. It's about taking control. Habit 2, the money mindset shift. Habit number 2 will rewire your entire relationship with money. Most people think about money wrong. They see it as something to spend, something to save, or something they don't have enough of. Young millionaires think about money completely differently. They see it as an employee. Let me tell you about Sarah. At 25, she had $50,000 in savings, but she was still broke. Why? Because that money was sitting in a savings account earning 0.1% interest. She was letting her employees sleep on the job. Then Sarah learned the golden rule of young millionaires. Every dollar must work for you, or it's working against you. Here's how they make money work. Investment mindset. They don't just save money, they deploy it. Whether it's stocks, real estate, their own business, or learning new skills, every dollar has a job. Asset building. Instead of buying liabilities that drain their bank account, they buy assets that fill it. They choose appreciating assets over depreciating purchases. Compound thinking. They understand that a dollar invested today is worth $10 in the future. They think in decades, not days. Sarah took her $50,000 and invested it across index funds, real estate, and her own online business. That money started working 24/7. 3 years later, that initial investment had grown to over $300,000. The habit. Every morning, they ask themselves, how can I make my money work harder for me today? Habit 3, the network effect. Habit number 3, they treat networking like their full-time job, even when they already have one. But here's where most people get networking wrong. They think it's about using people, collecting business cards, or schmoozing at events. Young millionaires approach networking completely differently. Take Marcus. At 22, he was a broke college student with big dreams, but zero connections. He couldn't afford expensive networking events or fancy dinners. So what did he do? He started what I call value-first networking. Instead of asking, what can this person do for me? He asked, what can I do for this person? Marcus would spend 30 minutes every day reaching out to people he admired, not to pitch them, but to help them. He'd share relevant articles, make introductions, offer free assistance on their projects. Here's the magic. When you lead with value, people remember you. When opportunities arise, they think of you first. The daily habit. 15 minutes connecting with existing contacts. 15 minutes reaching out to new people with value-first messages. They maintain relationships before they need them. Marcus's approach led to mentorship opportunities, business partnerships, and eventually investors for his startup. His network became his net worth. The habit. They invest in relationships every single day, treating their network like a garden that needs constant nurturing. Habit 4. The skill stacking strategy. Habit number 4 is why they become irreplaceable, and it's called skill stacking. While most people try to become the best at one thing, young millionaires become very good at multiple complementary skills. This creates a unique combination that makes them incredibly valuable. Let me share Jessica's story. At 26, she was a decent graphic designer making $45,000 a year. Good, but not great. Not millionaire level. Then she discovered skill stacking. Instead of just trying to become the world's best designer, Jessica added complementary skills. She learned basic coding to understand web development. She studied psychology to understand consumer behavior. She learned copywriting to communicate persuasively. She understood business fundamentals to think strategically. Suddenly, Jessica wasn't just a graphic designer. She was a design thinking strategist who could create, code, write, and think like a business owner. Her unique combination made her irreplaceable. The young millionaire formula. Primary skill plus complementary skills equals exponential value. Jessica started charging $150 per hour instead of $45. Then she launched her own design agency. Then she created digital courses teaching other designers. Her skill stack created multiple income streams. The daily habit. They spend 60 minutes every day learning something new. Not random learning. Strategic skill acquisition that builds on their existing strengths. The result? They become the only person who can do what they do, exactly how they do it. Habit 5. The execution obsession. Habit number 5 separates dreamers from millionaires. They are obsessed with execution. Everyone has ideas. Everyone has dreams. Everyone has plans. But young millionaires have something else. They have an execution obsession that borders on addiction. Here's what this looks like in practice. The 24-hour rule. When they have an idea, they take action within 24 hours. Not perfect action, just action. They buy the domain, make the first call, write the first page, record the first video. The 1% daily improvement. They don't wait for motivation. They focus on systems. Every day, they do something, anything, that moves them 1% closer to their goal. The failure fast philosophy. They'd rather fail quickly and learn than succeed slowly and miss opportunities. They test, iterate, and improve at lightning speed. Let me tell you about Ryan. He had 47 different business ideas over 2 years. Most people would call him unfocused, but Ryan was executing. He was learning what worked and what didn't. Idea number 48 became his million-dollar breakthrough. The daily habit. Every evening, they ask themselves, what did I execute today? If the answer is nothing, they do something immediately, even if it's small. They understand that imperfect action beats perfect inaction every single time. Let's recap these 5 game-changing habits. Number 1, wake up at 5 a.m. and invest in yourself first. Number 2, make every dollar work for you like an employee. Number 3, network with value-first approach every single day. Number 4, stack complementary skills to become irreplaceable. Number 5, execute obsessively, action over perfection. Here's the truth that no one talks about. These habits seem simple because they are simple, but simple doesn't mean easy. The difference between young millionaires and everyone else isn't intelligence, luck, or even opportunity. It's consistency. It's doing these 5 things every single day when you don't feel like it, when you don't see immediate results, when everyone around you thinks you're crazy. But here's what I know about you. You're still watching this video. That means you're different. That means you're serious about changing your life. So here's my challenge for you. Pick one habit. Just one. Implement it for the next 30 days. Don't try to do all 5. That's a recipe for failure. Master one, then add the next. Your success is not an accident waiting to happen. It's a habit waiting to be built. If this video opens your eyes to what's possible, smash that like button, subscribe for more wealth-building content, and drop a comment telling me which habit you're going to start with. Your future millionaire self is counting on the decisions you make today. Don't let them down.